Good morning, everybody. I tried getting on X. That shit was not happening. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Let's see. Let's get this shit set up. All right. How's everybody doing this morning? Let's see. Live. Nope, not there yet. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What time is it? Damn, it's almost 7:20. I think I spent like 20 minutes trying to get on X. Wow. Hope y'all slept good. Hope y'all feeling good. Hope you're all doing good. Hope y'all thank God for another day above ground, another day of health and happiness, spiritual closer with Him. Thank you for another day of Bree and Basil and Katie all being together. For all of us having great lives, for giving us another breath, another day of life. That's little prayers. All right, we are live for sure now. Let's make sure they can hear me. Good morning and good morning and good morning. Six. There you go. Jones. Good morning, Mike Jones and Mr. C. I do believe your little plaques are on your way. Oops, hold on. Hold your horses. Let me get my walking shoes on. These shoes were made for... Good morning, Mike Jones. Good morning, Mr. C. Oh, let's see. Good morning, John. What's up, John Parker? What's up, John? What's up, Mike Moynihan and Darren? What's up, Orlando Walters? Good morning, David B. and Alex. Good morning, Rocket. All right, that takes care of a few of you on YouTube. TikTok, Mr. C. And there's a few others over there. I don't know who they are, but good morning, Emily, and everybody else on TikTok and YouTube. What a glorious morning it is to be alive. I got about 6 hours of sleep. Extremely happy. I'll reply to that in a minute. Yeah, X used to be free to stream over there. Now they charge. Excuse me. I am not a financial advisor. Demo trade only. All right, let's get things rolling. Only safe trade. The only system in the world that has a trademark and a patent pending, by the way, and an NDA, by the way. We have it in coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. Look at it. Boom. Signed, sealed, and delivered. Boom, boom. There it is. Thank God for that. We also have a legal disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, hence these words. I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only. You'll hear that 100 times today. Only a social media influencer. Please go to the store and buy some cool merchandise. Really is good. Very extremely good quality. We only trade the up green arrow and the down red arrow. Please understand, there are facts in this world. The facts are, and I'll go over this a few times today, that the old ways of trading fail 99% of the time. If you think they work, leave. It's a fact they do not work. That's why every one of you here, that's why you sold thousands of the systems and have hundreds of you active in it and have retired. Mr. Gold, Kim H, Big D, Boost, Tommy can be retired. We've made two people who were homeless, not homeless, Billy and Zira. Zira's name's Kevin. And we've also had one person, Russell, saved because of the system. My most proud achievement, by the way. These old ways of trading didn't get them there. What got them there was a safety trade system. Please understand that if you think Bollinger Bands work, you are 99.9% wrong. Don't take my word for it. Here's an article talking about it, quoting Dave Ramsey. Studies have shown that less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. Almost everyone who attempts to day trade fails. 85% of you listening to me right now within 3 years will quit day trading unless you give the old college try, the safety trade system. I hope you do. Please understand, you can get 100% predictable results. You just have to do something right enough, the safety trade system, long enough. That's the key. Is it 1 week, 1 month, 1 year? I don't know. We're your best chance. The end result is becoming a consistent trader. We don't care. I thought I switched this. More facts. Yeah, I did switch that. I wonder why that didn't take. If you use the half moon or udder trade to entry trade, I have to get that, don't I? For your trade, you would have over $17,000 on Bitcoin and another 10,000 pips made if you would just use the signal service. I outline every trade from July 1st when it started to 10/27, 15 wins, 15 trades, 15 wins, 1 open, could end up possibly being a loss. I'll let you know when that trade closed. Right now it's open. We did count it as a 300 pip loss. If you want to go ahead and count that in, we're a 93.75% win rate with the signal service. Pretty good. And that's only the weekly dailies, by the way. Please type yes if you understand all those things, that I'm not a financial advisor. We only trade the green up and red down there. The old ways of trading suck ass, and that you guys are all adults. Good morning, Pelly, and God bless you too. Good morning, Priscilla. Already done trading here. Nice, Evan. Congratulations. Evan, are you retired? I wonder if Evan's... Anyone else can be retired? By the way, that was a buy stop right there, filling the gap. What are we doing? I'll have to look at that stuff. Yes. Good morning, Jam Fly the Sky. Good morning, Nadal. Good morning, Brian Claus. Good morning, Linda Brown. Hey, Michelle Glowinski. What's up, Michelle? Good morning, Filio. Good morning, Sog. Good morning, and God bless Larry Cooper. Thank you, Michelle Glowinski, for being both on TikTok and YouTube, and Orlando Walters, and Mike Mahoyan, and Mr. C. Nice. All right. I think that covers all our bases. Oh, all these symbols you see up here, we can check them again, but I'm 99% sure they're all still open. And you can go ahead and take any 30-minute buy stop you can find on any of these symbols. Those are our tier 3 call outs, not current ones. We don't care about Bitcoin at the moment. The great Keith Palmer. Why do I have this one up? That's the thing, skyrocketing. We don't give a shit about that. I want you all to help me achieve this goal, by the way. We need to add that in there. 1 million active users for the safety trade system is now my new goal. It used to be 350 people a month, by the way. I then found out that TradingView has more than 60 million active users, of which 3 million are paying. I want 1 million paying active users in the safety trade system. And technically, I'm going to up that to 3 million. I want to save every one of the traders out there from losing to actually making money consistently. And we're going to have fun doing it. So I'd appreciate it if you tell all your friends and family. We got to get this shit going. Funding traders. Oh, I left that up because, oh, look, we have a flip. Buy stop to the 15-second Blue line of US 30. Hold on, I'll keep rambling here in a second. Let's get some money going. 15 second. US 30. Yep. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second. Buy stop on SPX, US 30, or NAS until the US 30 blue line is hit. Yay. Cool. We'll make some money right off the snap right here. All right. Told you about X. Please stay out of the market for the next, I would say, until after the U.S. election and that week after. Just there's no just demo trade only for real. Don't play around. If you're going to make money, buy stop $41,977 US 30. Buy stop $41,978. Buy stop $41,976.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Did you guys hear that?
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Did you hear that?
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
All right. Keep following it down as it goes down. Grab some more of it. You're going to see this pink line come all the way down here. You're going to see the blue dip a little bit more. You're going to see this pink line come all the way down, and then you're going to see it hook up. So let's just sit here and watch. Wait for the pink line to do what it did right here. And then you're going to see price action come up, and then it's going to arch up 41,977.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
And we'll just sit there and wait. All right. So that's the market. Stay out of it. You don't want to risk any of your money. I have 2 long-term trades. Well, technically a third one, waiting for one to turn profit. Up real good in both. Have them locked in. We have to check the rifle this morning. All right. Before we get rolling, does anybody have any call outs they'd like to make? Any comments, good, bad, or indifferent? Does anybody need help with a trade? Oh, nice. Whoa. Hold on. Look, we can go back to the 5. Whoa. Let me see. These are now forming. Hold on. This is beautiful. Ho. Oh, yeah. Love the trade. Stay on that US 30 buy. Buy stop. Look at this shit. Hell yeah. 15 second, 30 second, 30 second buy stop to the blue line. SPX 20,251, 20,254, 20,255. That's NAS. Sorry, I said SPX. It's NAS. SPX. Yep, same thing. Plenty buy stop you can find on NAS, SPX, or US 30. Buy stop. This is gorgeous. 5,785. Demo only. 5,785. 5,784.9 or something. 5,786. SPX. Love the trays. Love the trays. First one is going to go up. I believe you'll see NAS. You'll see it do its ricochet. We need to get a ricochet. US 30. Hold on. Ricochet. Ooh. Sell. 5 second. Sell. No, 15. Nope. Hang on that one. 30 second buy. 1 minute buy. US 30. Back to the 5 second blue line. I like these NASs better. So let's see over here for a second. Love this NAS. Yeah. 30 second. Hang right here. 20,249. NAS. 20,251. NAS. 20,254. Okay. Love the NAS. Blue line's low. You're going to see pink cross it right here. This is a great trade. I would prefer NAS's blue line would hop down just a little bit more for us. Let it come down more. Like it did here. Touch. We need this to come down here. Touch. Let the pink cross it. That'll be our official in. So let it come down just a little bit more. Now today, this is how I'm seeing today. You're going to see a lot flip over. You'll probably see them run across the board to about the 3 minute. But I think you're going to finish out this sell to the 1 hour. We hit the sells to the 30 minutes. Let's go up to the 30 minute. Yeah. See, your 30-minute line was touched on NAS, below on SPX, and way below on US 30. Love this trade. So we're going to see a pull up. You're going to see a ricochet on NAS. It's going to come up like this, hook, come back down below its 30 minute. I would play any, you can play the hooks like that if you want. Feel free. But yeah, I think you're going to see another continuation after this push up here. You'll see it pull down again. You'll see it go towards their 1 hour. Let me see the 1 hour blue line. Yeah, we haven't hit that. Hold on. It's US fucking 30. It hit its 30 minute. No, we were already at its 30 minute. Oh, there we go. Hold on. Yeah, we're at the what? Why was that fucking showing? Yeah, I must have hit the wrong thing. We are at the 1 hour. Perfect. Told y'all to play the sell stop on US 30 to the 1 hour, which was my right call. But I'm going to show you the wrong call I made on NAS and SPX, which still produced money. All right. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Where are we at? Inverted utter alert. Gold 5 minute sell stop in the money was at M1 ricochet. Let's look at gold. Evan says, I wish I was retired. That's the goal. Nice, Evan. I hope you get there soon, my friend. Good morning, LD. Good morning, Tony Plesh. Good morning, Grant says PayPal, please. Sure, but not right this second. Good morning, inverted utter alert. Let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. I had no choice. I had no choice. I feel like crying. Love those 1 minute buys. 30-second 1 minute buys on NAS and SPX. Love them. Gold. It was a 1 minute. What do you say? Utter thing. He's so funny. Mr. C loves that. What did we say? Gold. 5 minute sell stop in the money was a 1 minute ricochet. Gold. 1 minute. 5 minute sell. Yeah. 5 minute sell. Let me see. 5 minute, 10 minute. Yep. How low will she go? Does it really matter? 5 seconds, so 10 seconds, so 30 seconds, so yes, 1 minute ricochet. Yep. 3 minute sell. 3 minute sell to the blue line. That's a much stronger trade, by the way. They're already probably played out on those buys. 3 minute sell to the blue line and 5 minute sell to the blue line, but you got to read the first ones first. So I'm going to go with 3 minute. Correct call. Thank you, Mr. C. 3 minute sell stop. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, Nadal on TikTok. Good morning, Orlando Wallers on TikTok, Michelle Glowinski on TikTok. And if you're one of the top 20 viewers on TikTok, when I'm done, I will follow you back. So if you want to get a follow, the only people I follow on TikTok are the ones who stay on my live for the top 20 time. I don't follow anyone else. All right, I'm going to close it. 18 minutes. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Remember now. Remember, Simba. Remember, Simba. What are you remembering?
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Woo-hoo. I got my grounding chair. Yes, you plug it into an electrical outlet to ground something, which sounds counterintuitive, but it works. All right, peeps. Now we can get down to business.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Okay, where are we at? Self-taught, trading 10 plus years, created a safety trade system. It's for beginners, works on futures, indices, golds, Forex stocks. Ask questions, I answer. Good morning, Guy Berger. Good morning, Dr. One Fly. I thought he called me mommy. Say hi to applesauce. Say hi to there. Good morning, Matt Parker. The Parker brothers in the house, boy. We are going to be cranking out some demo money now. No pressure. Got to make money for them.
Financial advisor, demo trade only.
Morning or evening for me. What's up, Apple user? I'm not sure where you're at. We're bright and early here, 7:39 a.m. All right, now let's go ahead and make some call outs. Let me go ahead and make some call outs from here. 1 second sell stop US 30. 5 seconds. Still like that fucking 15. No, hold on. Yeah, it's a sell now. 15-second sell. Forming 3-minute sell. Damn. US 30 is doggone determined. 10-second, 15-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. Yeah, it was called to go to the 1 hour yesterday. It did. 2 hour. Let me see. 2 hour. No. Love this 4 hour. Love the 7 hour buy. All right, let me be clear. You can keep playing your sell stops on US 30. Feel free. A sell stop is a future pending order. It's the way you don't get your ass handed to you. But the way I'm looking at this, I love this 12-hour daily buy. Love, love, love it. Here's some entrances for this buy on 12-hour buy US 30. But remember,
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Okay. Daily buy ricochet off the green line, 42,059. Buy off the daily chart, 42,223. Buy 42,355. I give you a range depending on how much your risk tolerance is.
Financial advisor, demo trade only.
That's for US 30. NAS. Oh, yeah. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. 7 hour. I'm going to try to stay to the same entrance time so I can remember where we fucking got in at. Sure, I don't like it as much though. 12 hour. 12 hour buy stop, NAS. Love this trade. You should have already ricocheted off the green line, but let's say you didn't. Buy stop NAS, 20,293. Buy stop NAS, 20,342. Buy stop NAS, 20,379.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
SPX. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I hope this goes a little lower, but this is fantastic. Follow this down. As all trades, rule number 7 of your specific trading, always follow the trade down as it moves down. 5,789 SPX. 5,800 SPX. 5,814 SPX. Buy stops.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Love those trades. Please pay attention to those. Short term, shorter-ish, medium-ish. I guess that's medium-ish. You're going to see NAS and SPX. Let me see. Yeah, they're going to ricochet up, like I said, come back down. They're going to come back. NAS is going to come back down, sell stop to its blue line.
Financial advisor, demo trade only.
SPX. I think SPX might be the next one there. Play any sell stop shorter term on SPX and NAS till SPX hit its 1 hour blue line.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Gold. Oh, gorgeous. What the fuck? Hold on. This gold shit is gorgeous. Good. We're finally getting that little pullback I called out and looked like an idiot for not happening. Let's keep on coming down. Daily, let's see. Weekly. Yeah. All right. Again, I can be exact for you. Just hang loose on your buys on gold until this pink line comes down here. That's all you're waiting for. Let the blue line come across like this. So just hang loose on gold. If you want to play some sell stops, you can. I would just hang loose on. I wouldn't do anything with gold. If you're in gold, lock in profit. I mean, Mr. C is making money on the shorter term, 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, 3. That's fine. You can play like the 3 minute and unders. I just wouldn't trade any of these higher time frames until gold resets on the daily. Let me look at the 5 second. Oh, 5 second buy stop to the blue line. 10 second. Yeah. You can play any 1 second, 5 second to the 10 second blue line. And that one I did call, but unfortunately, there it is. Touchdown. All right. Buy stop 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 seconds. I feel like an auctioneer to the 15 second blue line of gold. Oh, come on. All right. Play any of those till it gets there. All right. If you'd rather not do those little buy stops, then you can go right over here, drop into a 3 minute sell stop again. Feel free. I'm just not playing any of these. I don't see any need to do these. Again, the way I would look at gold, just so we're clear, and if you guys want to type out a 7, so I know you're all on the same page. Demo money, correct. Japan 22. Don't worry, we'll get there. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube and Bella and Garth and Juan and Zakira. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Good morning to everybody on YouTube. I'll answer any questions in time. I'm going to go through what I'm doing is for you guys to understand that we're looking at gold. We're waiting for gold's daily to reset, and preferably its weekly to come right back down with it. Oh my gosh, we're going to make so much money when that occurs. So it's 7s, if you understand. I wouldn't necessarily trade gold right now. You can play some downs. You can play those shorts ups. Anything under 3 minutes, play around with. Anything over 3 minutes, I just wouldn't touch gold right now. I'm in gold. Where's my trades? I have a very long-term, well, not very, but a pretty long-term trade going on gold right now. That's the gold one, 28,000. I'm okay. I'll just hold that till I take my profit when it goes down enough, or until it stops going up, which I think we're going to be able to eat this next pink coming down, and then we're going to get in again. Okay, where were we? That's gold. So we called out US 30 NAS SPX gold. US oil. Oil as in UK and US, they both do the same thing. Sell, daily, sell. Perfect daily sell. Okay. And then we got a weekly. Yeah. 3 weekly buy. Buy oil. Well, I have mine down here, but that was way back when. Buy oil, US and UK, 72,440. Buy oil, 76,185. Buy oil, 77,850.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
See if we can get some quick money. 5 second buy, but it's too high. 10 second. 5 second, 10 second buy. 15. I like the 15. Play any buy stop. 1 second, 5 second, 10 second to the 15 second fill in the gap right here. I like this trade. I wonder if we can see this go up live. We should see the pink cross the purple. You should see this fill in the gap. Buy stop right here as this goes down. Buy stop 68.873.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
I just wonder, because this is 15 seconds. We might be able to pull this off for you guys. Aha. Now let's see if we can get this right here to fill in where the green goes up and crosses the yellow. Let's see if this does cross up here. And let's go hunting for some rabbits. Let's see what we find. As you see that, you'll see price action go up. I just want to see, yeah, if we can see this live. Usually I try to keep on moving, but this is tempting. Aha. I want to go ahead and say you're in a tiny bit of money with, there you go. Look at that. There's your pink crossing the purple. There's your fill in the gap, and there's your price going up. Anyone see that? Type out yes if you guys just saw what I said. Type out yes if you just saw that trade play out like I just said. Look at that. It's too good. When you see the blue come up and you see the purple and the pink down low, and you see the fill in the gap ready to go, that's what pops. See how it just popped? Went doop, doop. It's coming back down again. It's a fucking 5 second, 10 second, 15 second buy. This isn't the time you're going to make 300 pips on a trade. Isn't that cool? By the way, this exact same thing that happens on the 15 seconds is a fractal. This exact same thing will happen on 1 hours, 15 minutes, dailies. This exact same thing you just saw. Except when you see it on a daily, you'll see at least $5, $10 an ounce on oil when it does it. It's going to come up. I think we're going to see it come up, touch, or come close, hook, come back down, and then you're going to see it go up again. You're going to see it pop again, but not as good as this fill in the gap was. All right. Good morning, Priscilla. All right, let's keep going. EUR USD. Let me move this out of the way. EUR USD. EUR USD. Mickey Mouse. Donald Duck. 1 second buy stop. 5 second buy stop. Fill in the gap. Hey, you know what? We might be able to see it again. Right here, you're going to see the exact same thing. You're going to see the cross. You'll see the fill in the gap, and you're going to see this come up. Buy stop. What is this? It needs to come down. Yeah, just a little bit further. Right here, buy stop. 1.0. I don't even know what this is. Oh, EUR USD. Let's just wait here for a minute. I don't know if we're going to get the cross. It looks like to me it already did it the first time. It already did it the second time. Yeah, third time. We should have did it all the way up to the 5 second blue line. That's the play you want to make. This is very late in the game, but let's see if we can get the closure anyways. The trade you wanted to take was right here. Pink cross with the buy stop to the blue line. This is the trade of your, who is this? EUR USD trade. Look right here. When out of all the trades, right here is the trade you want to take. Watch. This is going to the blue line. It just flipped over. This is pink crossing, right? Blue high, green, 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 red, green, green, and it's a trade to the blue line. See, now we have the problem. We have to eat this 15 second, which means, or 5 second, which means we have to go up to the 10 second. Yeah. And now you're going to see it on a 10 second level. So now we have to wait for the cross here on the 10 second, fill in the gap here on the 10 second. You put your price. I would have put my entry right there on that green, yellow, whatever, orange now. And let's just see if we can get this one to fill in the gap and be finished. You can go back to 5 seconds if you want, but again, just teaching you how to read the charts as you go up. There you go. And I'm sure our 5 second, yeah. And I'm sure our 5 second little, now this is a crossing of the pink blue line, and then you're in the money on that trade also, right there. Green, green, green. But the better of these three trades was this one right here. The best of the three trades. You always want to take your buy stop with the sniper, and you always want to take it going to the blue line. This is your best trade. Let me see something real quick. We're talking about EUR USD. Nope. Where is my sniper rifle? There you go. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that, would you? So look how gorgeous. Trading made easy, baby. Trading made easy. Look at what it did. The sniper rifle still being finished up, but nonetheless, this is a perfect trade on the sniper rifle. The 5 second one I called out is in the money. The 10 second one I called out is in the money. Hold on. Oh, why is the computer freezing this morning? Same exact call out I did over here. It was on a 5 second, 10 second buy stops. There you go. Where'd my line go? Whoa, where did my buy stop line go? What the fuck? Oh, I jumped over to the 10 second. My bad. Jeez, fuck. These little indicators are so there it is. See your buy stop right here to the 5 second blue line? Perfection. This is the trade. See, I called it, and I told you, then I turned on the sniper, and the sniper called it. This is your best trade. Now you come back over to here. You can see that it was a buy stop. Yeah, we got to get that Freedom Daily indicator shit off of here. This is the 5-second buy. I thought I can stack these. Hold on. Interesting. Well, anywho, the pink did cross the blue here on the 5-second. Here's your 10-second when that call was made. That was the exact same one as the previous one we did on oil, where the pink crossed the blue, then filled in the gap and it went up. This is what you're looking at for EUR USD short term. Those are fantastic trades. Hopefully you guys catch that. Let's see. We have, good morning, Jacob. Perfect call on US 30. Okay, cool. It was a perfect call on ERUSD and oil on the 5 seconds, by the way. It's going to do it again. It's going to come down. The purple's going to come down a little further, maybe. If not, you're going to see this pink just arch up, cross up, and you're going to see the buy fill in. It's going to fill that gap in right there. Surprised it didn't go a little lower, though. I would have preferred it to go a little lower. Yeah, there you go. Anywho, we're looking at EURUSD. Let's get out of the micros and go into the actual higher time frames of trade. It is a 15-minute buy. I would play any 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10-minute buy till the 15-minute pink goes up to the blue. 30-minute to the 30-minute blue line. Yep. That's how I would look at this. Let me close this off. Yep. We're going to see. Yep. Play any buy stop to the 30-minute blue line is hit on EUR USD. Oh, yeah, for sure play that. 1 hour, 2. I love that trade. 4 hour turning into a 4 hour daily sell. Daily sell. 4 hour sell. What is this? EUR USD? Love it. Weekly buy. Love the weekly daily buy. We're almost to that point. We need EUR USD to come down further. I don't know if it'll come down and touch here. It may. And then we're going to look for a EUR USD buy on the weekly. And it's going to come back up to the daily blue line. By the way, you're in the money. This would have been called out for an orange buy stop. You're in the money on EUR USD buy, just so we're all clear. You wanted me to tell you what's going to happen for EUR USD as it goes on in the future. Let's take a look. You're going to see the blue. You're going to see the blue. Come on now. You're going to see the blue line come up like this. You're going to see the pink line hook and come back down like this. When it does this, we're going to go ahead and call it out. It'll be probably to the blue line when this occurs. When we see this movement, we're going to make a shit ton of money for all of you on EUR USD. Of course, demo money only.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Good morning, Miami Rocks. Good morning, Builder Valdez. Thank you for the like, Michelle Gowinski. Good morning, Ryan Marcus. Good morning, Michael Karzana. Good morning, Dr. Onefly. Good morning, Builder Las Vegas. All right, so that's in detail EUR USD. We've called out successfully US 30, I'm sure NAS and SPX, gold. We saw oil be called out correctly. We saw EUR USD be called out correctly a couple times. We're pretty good on those. All right. And let's see where we're at. We're on to GBP JPY next as soon as my charts decide to unfreeze. Remember that I am not
a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Yeah, baby. I guess what I'm going to have to do the next time this opens up is something. Watch. I don't know why we're having such trouble. I don't even have do I have any of the indicators on over there? I don't think so. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. All right. Now this is really getting annoying. Oh, that one could have been my fault. Hold on. Let me do this real quick. Let me do this. I hate to fucking reset things. All right. We're looking at GBB JPY next. GBB JPY, you're under direct orders to take buy stops on that demo only. Let me see what we got going on here in the micro level. 1 second sell, but I don't like it. Let me see. 5 second. Yeah, 1 second sell to the 5 second blue line. I do like this. Can we sit here and wait long enough to see this happen? Possibly. Pink already crossed. We'll see the purple turn back now. You'll see price come down and go towards this blue line. Yeah, I think we might be on the right spot right here. Let me see. Is there a higher buy, though? Nope, that looks good to me. 15 second looks good to me. Yep. I think that's the correct call. We're good. 30 second. 1 minute buy stop ricochet to the blue line. It's a 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop, but doesn't stop us from making that little bit of money right there. Gorgeous little trade. I think it's still going to roll on down. It's not done pulling down yet. Let this pink line come up towards the purple again. Right. Let it come up again, then hook and come down. If you don't like playing the 5 second, which I don't think any sane person would, look over here to the 1 minute buy. Love this 1 minute buy. Buy GBB. Let the 5 second finish. Buy GBB JPY 198.2. Buy same thing. They're all the same. 198.259. Really? Buy 198.271. But in the meantime, we have touchdown. I told you, just had to let that pink come back up again. Touchdown to the blue line. 5 second is called out. You can play, I don't know if we're going to hit the 10 second, but you can play any 1 second, 5 second towards the 10 second blue line. Feel free, GBB, JPY. After these little cells, I think it is going to hit the 10 second. After these little cells are done, I would really, really look for that 1 minute buy. 15 second, 15 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour. Or if you don't like playing on the micro level like that, 3 hour buy. Love the 3 hour. Let's go to 2 hour entry. 2 hour buy stop. GBB, JPY, 2 hour buy stop. 198.201, 198.596, 198.754. GBB, JPY buy stop, 2 hour. Love this trade. Love it. Again, if you guys like playing some short-term sells, knock yourselves out. Feel free. I happen to love this trade. Gorgeous trade. Let me see if it's a 1 hour. No, it is not. Let me see if it's a 4 hour. Ooh, we're already 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. A little late on that. Let me see my daily. Yep, we're daily. Daily. It just happened. You just missed a thing. So I called that out for a weekly. Can we do a weekly? Nope, not there yet. Weekly buy stop. Weekly, monthly buy stop. I won't have any way to see where we're at on this. Yeah, love this trade. I called it back in 8.6, still calling it. Literally, you could play those cells. Feel free. Anything under 3 minutes, it's all fair game. It's a micro level. Knock yourself out. It's a quantum level. You can play sells. You can play buys 100 times in a weekly, monthly trade. For sure, do it. But I'm calling buy stop long term. Play any buys you can. Matter of factly, let's go over to our rules. I'll explain why I like this particular trade longer term. Right here. This is used by one of our members to teach his children and grandchildren, so hopefully it's not too advanced for adults. Your weekly direction, the flow is going this way. You can see the little people in their little rafts. The flow of the river is going this way. If you follow the overall direction, you won't drown. You won't have a losing trade. The shorter time frames all move against it, forming up our buy stops on these higher time frames. So in this case right here, how is this applicable to talk to you like a child is our buy stops are happening on daily and weeklies. These are weekly and daily buy stops specifically until this blue line comes all the way back up here. It's a buy. So you don't really want to take any sells. I mean, even though I'm calling them out, you can take them, feel free. They're just forming our longer term buys. That's all they're doing. So that's when I say I love the 2-hour buy stop. It's because it's a perfect 2-hour buy stop. Wait till you see this. Just like I called on the 5 second and 10 seconds on oil and ERUSD, you're going to eventually see the pink and purple pink first will cross this blue line. Okay, when it does, that'll be one of our big, huge hints to get into the trade, demo only, and then and then we'll see what happens after that. But does everyone understand? Let's go ahead and put that down. What's up, old school Mick? Good morning, old school Mick. Does everybody understand? Hello? There we go. The overall flow for GBB JPY, the flow. This is for a child. This is what one of my members uses to teach his grandchildren. The flow is up on the daily and specifically the weekly. If you're taking those down trades, they're probably not going to be a month-long trade, like at all. So the flow would be just let these little things go down like they are, like I've called, and then later on, look for the buys when they're going to come up. Makes sense to everybody? Yes or no? I'll wait. Of the trade. There's a few yeses. Okay. All right. Guyberg. Okay, cool. So that's GBB JPY, short term, long term. AUD USD. This fucker, I swear to goodness. I wonder if it's kicked into its weekly sell. We're going to get our asses handed to us. All right, daily buy. And I still say I'm holding on to this one fucker. We just have to move our buy line down. Weekly. So this is the problem. The weekly's in a complete weekly sell. We need this to come down. It's going to come down even further. I have a feeling price is going to come down. Fuck me. A lot further. But let's see. If we can get this pink line to hook down while the blue line stays straight, we're going to make a shit ton of money. So let me tell you what I'm hoping for. You don't want to really trade this yet. I'm in it early just to be me being stubborn. But this is what you want while the blue line holds. So let's go ahead and look at the daily. Yeah. I like where I'm at. I'm going to keep these buy stops in place. Love it, love it, love it. Buy AUD USD daily 0.65922. I don't know how low we can go. I think it's right about where I was. Buy stops daily 0.65796. Buy stop AUD USD 0.66110. Yeah, somewhere around there. I like that trade. Still calling it this. I still like the looks of this a lot, just in generally speaking. This is our down. This is our middle part with our M in it. This is a upward sloping. That's why I think it's going to start hooking soon. Down, and then this is going to be our up. I really like how this is here. As long as this, when it comes down and flips, is somewhere around here, maybe a little lower, we're going to be in a beautiful upward buy stop on AUD USD. I wouldn't enter the trade like I did. I'm just stubborn. I just wouldn't do it. But this is what it looks like on your daily. I love this trade. I really think long term we're going to be just fine. I don't mind losing $20, $30, $50. The fuck do I care? That's a zero issue. Mine's more of the principle of the thing. So that's your longer term. Now let's go down here and see what's happening. Looks like a buy to me. Yeah, 1 second buy. 5 second, where's it going to? 15 second, already went. 30 second, just hit it. 1 minute, just hit it. 3 minute, there you go. Whew, is it going to go up there and touch that? It already has, close enough. H&H for me. 3 minutes sell. 5-minute sell. I do like that 3-minute sell. You can do a 3-minute sell if you like, or hang out up here, 1 hour sell, 2 hour sell, 2 hour, 3 hour sell, 4 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour sell. Don't know. 12 daily. No, then you go back to daily. So you can go all the way down to, how fucking long was this? Hold on. All the way down. We already hit them all. Never mind. Yeah, 7 hour. Yeah, I'm just gonna call. Let me see, 12 hour daily. Yeah. That's exactly what I'm saying. Just stick with AUD USD buy. That's what I'm saying. Good morning, Moto. What's up, buddy? Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning to everybody on YouTube, Twitch. I tried getting on X. I even tried paying them. They wouldn't take the card. They said my business card wouldn't accept it. I was like, what the fuck? It's a business card. Anywho, but we're trying to get on X. All right, so that is call outs for GBP, JPY, EUR, USD, US oil, gold, SPX, NAS, and US 30. I know we already made money on US 30. Oil and EUR, USD we did live. USD CAD, let's take a look. Negative on the daily. Weekly buy. I would play any buy stop you can find on this particular Forex pair USD CAD until the blue line comes up and touches this orange line, which I talked to Keith about. He said this is very easy to code, so we're going to have weekly buy stops being called out now, thanks to the great Keith Palmer. Obviously, if you'd have went in when I told you to on 723, oh boy, I think someone would have been on a lot of fucking money. Here's your buy line in on this. Boom. There you are. You can still play any buy stop you'd like on. Feel free to play any buy stop you like on USD CAD. It is a little long in the tooth, but let's look for hunting grounds here. Let's go on down to the 5 second. That's a sell. Let me see. 10 second, nothing. Sell. 15 second, sell. 30 second to the blue line. Already hit it. Play any sell stop you want on USD CAD, 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, until the 3-minute line is touched or gets a little closer. So I don't think it's close enough yet. I think it's going to go down there. And again, if you don't want to play those fast time frames, 15-minute buy, 30-minute buy, 1 hour buy, 2 hour buy, 4 hour buy, 12-hour finishing, daily finished, needs to reset. Okay. So this is how I look at it. It's going to be a really, 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 really good trade when this occurs. Mark my words on this. Pay attention to this trade. This is USD CAD. I'm on the daily, USD CAD daily. A, you should have listened to me back here in July when I told you to take it. B, though, look at this shit. Watch this. This is what's going to happen. You're going to see this pink line come down and touch. You're going to see this blue line right here stay across. When you see this setup, you're going to see price action come down like this, hook, and then you're going to see it come up. You're going to see this fill in the gap right here. You're going to see these green lines come down like this, and you're going to see your line like this, like that. Then you'll see this come up like that. Then you'll see these 3 lines stay green. Then you're going to see these box stay green. You're going to see this stay green. You're going to see this orange hold right here, probably bounce off the orange right there. You'll see the yellow and the green below it right here, and that's how this trade will play out. I wish someone would take a screenshot of this and then tell me if I was right or wrong. If you see this develop like this, and you see that this comes down, right? When you see that this pink line, price will come down, go sideways, consolidate. When you see this pink line come down, you're going to see it hit the orange line. The blue line is going to stay high. That is your logo. That is our safety trade. That is the trade you'll take. Everybody clear on USD CAD, or would you like me to go over that? You waved it. Now, good morning to everybody on TikTok. Good morning to everybody on YouTube. Nice. Blue Trident Killers, good morning. Perfect call. Old Skill Mick, good morning. Good morning, Moto. Good morning, Tanny B. Terrence, question, if you get in that GJ and it retrace all the way down, you just stay in, could be over 100 pip drawdown. If you're worried about drawdown, Terrence, I don't think you even have the system or something. You wouldn't ask that question. If you're worried about drawdown to any extent, you would enter any 30-minute buy stop after a weekly, daily pullback. Matter of fact, when this comes down and does what I say, is there any news this morning? Any NFP, any PPI, any kind of big news this morning at 8:30? If there's not, I don't want to stop. I like going through all these symbols. I want to go through them all. So to answer your question, Terrence, you would actually, why is that like that? Why is that so low? Whoa. Hold on. I don't want that. Hold on. There we go. That should boost this up. Okay. You would enter off of any 30-minute buy stop once you see this come down like this. And then you won't have your drawdown you're worried about. And again, I'm making up, and currently you see the cell working out perfectly. I'm creating a funded trader safety trade system, so you'll have little to no drawdown. But if you're trying to worry about drawdown, I got to be honest with you, you don't know what the fuck you're doing, and you're worried about something that's silly. I'm showing you a trade on weekly, daily trades. Let me be clear on this. The weekly, daily trades, while I'm going over them some hard and heavy for you, our signal service has sent out 16 of them, 15 of them combined with Bitcoin being up over $17,000 a coin itself, right? So $17,000. I think it hit 18,000. There's another 10,000 pips inside of here, including USD CAD, which was open at 250. It's up way over that. So if you, in other words, if you know the trade isn't going to lose, you just have no faith in the system. You don't know what the system does. That's all I can tell you. You wouldn't worry about that. Joe Bigga, you're playing. If you're worried about drawdown, you're playing in an account with too big of movement, US 30, with not enough money. If you can't eat $100 on a 0.01 SPX for 100 pips, well, why do I have to eat 100 pips? You don't. I told you could take a 30-minute buy stop on it, and you don't have to take probably 5 pip stop loss. But if you can't afford, then you're in the wrong account. You're literally trying to overtrade. You have no money. For instance, if you had a $100,000 account and you had a $100 drawdown in GBP JPY, would you worry about that trade if you knew it was going to go up? So many of you are trying to trade with a fucking $200 account and trade US 30. And when the motherfucker moves 10 pips, which it will do in 1 second, I get tapped out. Well, why are you fucking trading US 30 with fucking, I don't even think you can with $200-$300. You can't. I was just asking, God, have good. Yeah, I know what you were asking, Terrence. I 100% know what risk management is. You do not understand what I'm trying to tell you. Risk management, what you're saying is, I'm going to be as nice as I can. I'm going to leave it at that. Just trust the system and don't be over leveraged in any given account. The way you're thinking is old school. The way you're worried about things is old school. That has nothing to do with how you need to be trading. If you trade and you're worried about $100 loss on SPX, first of all, it would be near impossible to see a 100 pip loss on SPX. So then you're trading in some other account, other symbol that you shouldn't be trading in, unless you have like a $10,000 account, and then you can go in a $10,000 account, have a $100 drawdown on NAS, and then it doesn't fucking matter. But if you really have to hold your hand and you're trying not to have any drawdown at all and not have anything, even though you know the trade's going to be correct 99.9% of the time, then just wait for the 30-minute entry. If you need better than that, then I'll have a safety trader, funded trader, safety trade system coming for you. But I don't think you're understanding what I'm telling you because you're still caught up in the old way of thinking. My proper account risk management, I know what the fuck that is. I've been trading for fucking 10 years. I understand what risk management is. And I'm telling you, you're not thinking clearly. Is anyone following what am I saying, or am I losing you all? 7s if you're following what I'm saying, or 9 if I'm losing you all. Let's be honest here. The reality is, if you know this trade is going to win 99 out of 100 fucking times, what the fuck do you fucking care if there's a fucking 100 pip drawdown? My words are not English? Am I not telling you? What part of that am I not being clear on? Tries to tell me what the fuck risk management is. Get the fuck out of here. Jeez, oh pizza. It's fucking the most elementary thing on the face of this earth. Every one of us learned risk management the first fucking month we were fucking trading. Get out of here. The trade's going to win. What the fuck do you care if it draws you down a little bit? If you're trying to do a funded trader account, don't trade daily weeklies. How about that for a thought? If you're just literally trading an account and you have $2,000 in the account and you're trading SPX, SPX can never go down 2,000 pips on a trade. How about that for risk management? It can't happen. I'm so confused. I mean, telling me what risk management is. You're not listening to my words. Maybe English isn't his first language. I don't know. Good morning, Don. What's up, Don? We haven't even gotten to your stocks yet, Don. They're coming up. Yes. Guy Berger saying don't over leverage. Correct. Good morning, Sally. All right. Because I mean, I'm showing you trades on weekly dailies that are, well, 93.75% accurate, called out by the signal service. And I say it's 100% accurate because the one that I'm including as a loss, Ethereum, I'm telling you that will be a win. But for argument's sake, for fair disclosure, we're 15 out of 15 with one open trade. All these other trades that are already up over 27,000 pips, 17,000 on dollars on Bitcoin, 10,000 pips on the rest. They're still open. You can take trades on all these trades that are called out, meaning look for 30-minute buy stops at all these signals that were called out. You won't have as much drawdown. That's all I can tell you. I don't know. Whatever. Telling me drawdown. All you do is make new entries when it's you would tell you what you do is how you make money. That's a very good. Oh my God, that's a very good point. Who was that? Orlando Walters. What he's saying is if we're doing a daily and it goes against us and the motherfucking thing's dropping like this, you're so smart, Orlando, and it's dropping down like a rock right here, the system's going to be calling out all over the place every time. 10-second sell stops, 1 minute sell stops, 5-minute sell stops. On the way down, you'll be getting sell stops to even make more money on the way down as you're waiting for the fucking thing to flip and come back up. That is so smart, Orlando. I should have just thought of that off the get-go. But I don't want to confuse. I'm just trying to keep everything as simple as humanly possible. If you know weekly, daily trades win 99.99% of the time, and even if, say, one of them doesn't turn around and you take a loss on Ethereum and it's $300 a coin, so the fuck what? You lose $300 on a coin on Ethereum and you make $17,000 a coin on Bitcoin. I think you'll be okay with the safety trade system results. Still very smart, Orlando. I like that. Orlando's saying turn lemons into lemonade, even though I guess there's only limes and lemons are not even real, but you get the idea. As it's going down against you, just make fucking money going down against you. You'll make money. The system will call out those sell stops. I promise you it will, the shorter term sell stops. Or wait for the 30-minute entries. Or just let it fucking absorb it and take the hit and make your money. And as it comes up again, it'll come up again. By the way, as it comes up again on the daily, using Orlando's theme, you're going to have 15-second buy stops as it flips around. You're going to have 1 minute buy stops as it comes back up. You can start doubling up your orders. So now you just don't have one buy. I taught you all this 1,000 times. 5-minute buy stops will be occurring. You can have entry after entry after entry after entry after entry. And now you're not in one trade with 100 pip drawdown. I sort of got people in their drawdowns. It just drives me nuts. I'm going to have to really, when I get the fucking robot done in a year, I'm going to smash everybody that ever said drawdown to me ever. I'm going to go back through. I'm going to just smash people. I can't take it when they mention drawdown. I can't take it. I can't take it because you already know where it's going, Orlando said. What's up? Take time. And I think it comes from the fact, like, people who are the funded traders, they can't have drawdown. Oh, I can't fucking have jaw. Get the fuck out of here. I'm going to make a funded trader account. But why are you guys trying to use other people's money, making rich people richer is beyond comprehension to me. Save up your own money. Get up to $500 in an account. Quit paying those damn fees to get into the damn funded trader account, losing, and then they make more money off you and more money off you and more money off you. Just save up your money till you get about $2,000 in an account. Then start trading NAS and SPX and gold. Only trade those three. Then guess what happens? It doesn't matter what the fuck your fucking money management is. You can't fucking blow a $2,000 account with SPX unless you're mentally challenged and you don't follow any fucking rules I have on the safety trade system. I swear to God. Thanks. Makes sense. You made that explanation so simple. Thanks, Kev. Good morning, Harris. Thank you, Sally. Good morning, Harris. I don't know. I mean, to me, it's to worry about drawdown on a trade that's going to win 94.37, whatever the fuck it is, 95% of the time, and in my mind, 100% of the time, is insanity. I don't understand. Then you're just quite simply playing the wrong trade with the wrong amount in your symbol, with the wrong amount of money in your account. If you're trying to trade US 30 with $500 in your account, you're an idiot. You're a moron. You can't do that. I mean, you'll have your ass handed to you in about 1 second of one candle. Even if you're right, you'll lose the trade. You have to have drawdown with US 30. You have to. Again, if there's any news this morning, don't play it. I'm not in the fucking mood. I'm not doing it. XRP, buy stop. I don't give two fucks what it's doing. Buy stop. I've been calling XRP buy stop since 31 cents, period. That's it. Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum is doing, however. I'm kind of hoping it got out of that loop. Motherfucker. All right, Ethereum. Hey, daily. Did we make our money back? When was that Ethereum call? It was way, way early. Let me see. It was Ethereum weekly, daily, tier 3 weekly, daily. Hold on. It was way up here. Amazon, Google in the money, Amazon in huge money, GBB, JPY in huge money, NAS in huge money. I would think we made like 5,300 pips on NAS from these calls. Ethereum. When was this call? July 23rd. I should really tag it in here so we know. July 23rd. No, I think we were way high. June, July. Yeah, no, we're way high. Yeah, it was called. Oh, it was called right here. This is the call. Yeah, this is the call. Yeah. So we got a long ways to go. We took a $300 hit against that, but I'm not done. Ethereum. This is how stubborn I am. Weekly buy stop Ethereum. Weekly, daily buy stop Ethereum. You can see where my stops were placed off the red line. You could have went off the yellow line. I don't know what to tell you. This is exactly what I'll tell you. Play any weekly, daily, 12 hour, 7 hour, 4 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, all the way down to the 3 minute. I wouldn't go below 3 minute on that, but I would play any buy stop on Ethereum until this weekly pink line comes up and touches this orange line. The last time it did this was here. The problem we don't have the purple line joining it yet. May or may not, depending on this type of level. Matter of fact, I don't think it will. But let me be clear on this. Let me show you something. Watch this. Price is under, price came up, price came down. Okay. This right here inside of here is your first safety trade. See it? The pink line low. We don't have a blue line. You're just going to have to pretend. Stupid ass fucking trading. You doesn't give me everything we need. Anywho, this right here is the buy stop. Buy stop. Ethereum, fill in the gap. This is no different than what I showed you on the 5-second one earlier this morning. 5 seconds. So this is 3 week buy stop. You know how many fucking weeks and days and 12 hours and 4 hours and 1 hour is in a 3 week? So this is what it's going to do. You'd already be in the money. You see where I tagged it. This is where you need to enter in. And I'm telling you, we already know price action came down here, and we already know price has already come up past there. So you already know that my fact is fact. Price action has come up higher than it was when this bottomed. So when this bottomed, I called out the buy stops. This is your logo. This is your safety trade. This is a buy, 3-week buy Ethereum. Take any buy stop you can, daily, weekly, 12-hour, 4-hour, 1 hours, 15 minutes, however low. I wouldn't go below 3 minutes. And then just keep taking them over and over again, especially what? Especially the 30-minute buy. Okay? So this is very important for Ethereum. It's finally in position. We need one more little thing if we can get it, if we can get this purple to come all the way down with it, yay. If not, that's fine. This is our logo buy stop for Ethereum. This is the 3-weekly buy stop for Ethereum. It took a while to set up. Everyone's like, oh, you said it was going to go. It will. I'm telling you, does everybody understand that? Yes or no? Joe Bigga. The others should help out. That's true. You haven't seen Joe Bigga. The only people worried about drawdown in their accounts are people who are doing 500-to-1 leverage and doing funded trading. That's the only people who worry about it. Oh, you worry about drawdown, you're going to lose your account. If you win every fucking trade, you can't lose your account. If you win out of 9 out of 10 out of your trades, you can't lose your fucking account. Larry Cooper, this is for you, buddy. So this is it, Larry. This is why this has been taking a while, but this is abso-fucking-lutely. I talked to Keith about getting this coded. If there's news, it just happened, whatever. I talked about Keith getting this coded for us to find this on every symbol and every time frame. And of course, he said this one might be a little difficult, but we'll get it. The problem is going to be a little difficult. We don't have the blue lines on the 3 weeks and weeklies on most of the symbols. I think on gold we have the weekly, but most of the time we don't have these. With this fill in the gap, we'll get it. And see, it could have been caught right down here where I called it, and you'd already be in the money. But I'm telling you, I'll eat a cake, a low-carb cake hat, if this pink line comes up here to the orange. It already is higher. I already won, so I can't lose. But when this pink comes up on the 3-week to this one, price will be higher even than where it is. And quite frankly, again, if you really want me to call this out, I almost for surely higher than 35, 36, 3,700. And I think we might even get the big old higher than 4,800. That's my personal opinion. And if anybody wants to take a look at anything right here, let's take a look. You can clearly see this right here happened. And now you're going to see this happen right there. And then you're going to see that. And then you'll see it break the center line. And then you're going to see it break the top line. And that's what you're going to see. Could be wrong. Not going to be, but could be wrong. Okay. Larry Cooper, let's go. Jan, Larry. Okay. 22 over there, 48 over there. Okay. So that's what I'm seeing clearly. And I'm not even going to call the lower time frames, although this one annoys me. Eventually, we have to pull out of this shit. This is now a triple top. I think this might be the last time, Larry. I don't know. We still have this stupid-ass thing to hook and come up. It is a 12-hour sell stop. I am going to throw that out there, but I hate to say it. But it is what it is. Larry makes money every time it hooks down. Do it. But it's going to break it. That's a triple top daily. Oh, fuck me on that daily. It's now down low enough on the daily. See what happened? This is incongruency. I was trying to teach you guys this a little bit ago. When something comes down hard on our sniper, and there's a down, and then something comes down hard on our sniper, and it's just a little down. You see what I'm getting at? See, this is different. The first time it happened right here, that's a huge down. It's just different. You'll see. Then it's a little less down, and I'm kind of hoping we're going to pull right out of that move. Why do I still have this on? Hold on. Where are we at? Weekly entries. Oh, yeah. You know what? Hold on a second. You guys will like this. Let's go down to our 30-minute Ethereum and see something, shall we? And Keith is coding me the golden 30-minute entry. Oh, Keith. Let's see. Let's see the first one. Oh, there's some golden ones. Aha. It's going to be on the turn. So now we got to set this over to weekly. And then we have to go here. And then we have to go here. And then we have to go back to somewhere, probably right here. Let's see. Was this the turn? Aquafina. No, it was not the turn. Well, where the hell was our turn at? Back here? We're on Ethereum. I'm looking for 30-minute entries. I don't know why we're having... Oh my goodness. Did I turn it on and off or something? Maybe I fucked it. Hold on. I can tell you exactly where it's supposed to be. It should have been right there. Oh, we don't have a blue line. It can't read the weekly only back here a little bit. It can't read it all the way back. I'm sorry. Let's go to Bitcoin and find some. All right, let's call out Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I'm going to go ahead and say, holy fucking shit, did we kick fucking ass with Bitcoin? How about that for an answer? So Bitcoin, everybody's riding the train now. They're all thrilled, 73. But guess who called out Bitcoin for you? I don't know. Gee, let's take a look. Daily Bitcoin was called out at 9.8 when it was at 56,000. The signal service called out Bitcoin when it was at 54,000. You literally went from 54,000 to basically almost 74. Well, 73. So you went from 54, 70. You went up $19,000 a coin on the signal service Bitcoin call. $19,000 a coin. On mine, you went from 56,000 to wherever it is. I don't know. Pick a number. $13,000, $14,000, $17,000, $16,000 up. And there you go. And I told you where it was going to go up above it. It did. This is nothing but easy pickings. You can clearly see right here, well, maybe right here on our weekly. Hello. Oh, yeah. Nadex is fantastic. You don't need hardly any money on Nadex. You can literally put in, oh, Larry made over 10,000. You can literally put in $500 in Nadex and control shit tons of money. Yeah, you can make a lot of money with Nadex. I miss it. I haven't traded Nadex in 6 months or more. It's been forever. Going to be Aquafina. All right. Here we go. Maybe not. What the fuck? Come on now. Aquafina. I'm surprised TikTok hasn't kicked us off yet. How are we still on TikTok? How long we been on TikTok for? Been a minute. Aquafina. I'm wondering if I have to buy an even more powerful. Ah, there it is. I knew it. Speak of the devil. Now we got it. All right. Now maybe this will work. No, still no. Oh, come on. I ain't got time for this shit. All right. Bitcoin was a buy stop. It still is a buy stop. Plenty buy stop until you get to the weekly pink line going to the blue line on Bitcoin. I would keep taking the trades. It's been a fantastic little run for us. Beautifully called out. Beautifully played out. Why, oh, why? I swear to goodness. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Why will it not let us hold Bitcoin? Calm the fuck down. I swear to God, TradingView. All right. Where were we? Daily. Play any buy stop on Bitcoin. Continue to play it until the pink line goes up and touches the blue line on the daily Bitcoin chart. We've already filled in the gap here and here. This is the call. This is actually, let me show you. This is daily. Yeah, I'll show you this and I'll show you how it looks like here. Watch. This is daily. This is your original buy stop right here. Okay. This is your blue crossing the pink. When it comes back up and does this hook right here against it, this is your actual safety trade right here. This is the safety trade. This is a fill in the gap, 99 out of 100. This is a daily one. You see it? Blue crossed the pink, buy stop, up she went, came back down, rehooked, and that's your safety trade. How it looks on Ethereum, 3 weeks is the exact same trade. Watch. You don't have the blue line, so it's going to be hard for some of you to conceptualize. But price went up to the orange. Now it pulled back down. This is the logo right here. And this is the exact same trade. Just hasn't realized yet. This is a 3-week safety trade on Ethereum buy. This is a daily safety trade buy completed. Well, working on being completed. Sorry, live right now on Ethereum, on Bitcoin. Sorry. So they're the exact same setups. Okay. Right there. You can clearly see the blue line pink cross heading up towards the orange. You can clearly see now this time the blue's high, the pink's coming down. Play any buy stops, specifically 30-minute buy stops you can find on Bitcoin. So let's take a look because now we can actually find these buy stops. So let's go back here and let's see from here. Yep, there you go. And these are going to be your Bitcoin buys that you can be called out on. Now watch. Let me see if we have any current because I don't want to go too far back. Here we go. All right. Here you go. This is a golden buy stop right here. You can see it's going to be in gold. We're going to have a golden buy stops on our 30 minutes. So your guys who's in tier 3 will be getting this free upgrade. You're going to see golden ones. That means they're buy stops to the blue line on the 30-minute chart while you have the movement up. So these are 30-minute buy stops, golden ones. All these ones are making money. All these ones were, by the way, the first golden buy stop off of this particular trade would have been right here at about 56 to 57,000. So this was a golden buy stop. And then these are all 30-minute buy stops being called out that you could have made money on each and every one of these. Well, what about this one? It dipped down. If you have patience, it dipped back up again. There's another 30-minute golden one. And look, and now boom, boom, boom. Look how many of these buy stops you could have had. 38 of them. Oh, but it dipped down and then it came back up again. You could have had 38 buy stops on Bitcoin, all in the money. And it's tracking it. Matter of fact, you're going to see the new edition where it's going to tell you how much fucking drawdown there was. Jeez, oh fucking pizza. So everyone look at this in stunned amazement. You could have had 38 30-minute buy stops, and there's more coming. Continue to take any 30-minute buy stops, even after 30 correct calls. I think we're having issues with our and that's what's causing these issues. Yeah, I think it's going to be from our restream. How much time we have left? 8:42. Aquafina. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. I have to. I don't know why we're having such issues with our chat. I might have to close chat down. What is Nadix? List down as a flip over, pulling out of the sell, possibly if the higher time frame pink line is the bottom blue line. High is still flat. I didn't follow all that. Good morning, Kim the Candle Envy Lady. What is Nadex? Nadex is a trading platform. It trades binary options, Linda. They either win or they lose. Binary. You either win or you lose. Two choices. Binary. They make it sound so fancy. It just trades binary options. They do strikeouts and stuff. It's real neat. It's fun. It's easy to do. No, they trade a lot of different symbols. Yes, Joe Bigger. Yeah, Nadex is fun. I think it's a blast. I think it's easy money too, like the easiest money, actually. All right, let's see what we got over here. So you could have just sevens, if y'all understand, you could have had 38 entrances on 30-minute buy stops on Bitcoin. Your last one would have been at 68,000. Play any buy stop. Also, by the way, just so we're clear, play any buy stop until this pink line right here. I'll move this over. Oh, no, I won't. That's where it was. This pink line right here touches the blue line. Play any buy stops you can until this daily pink line goes up. I told you back when it was at the bottom, again, just so we're all clear on what happens, whenever this is at the bottom, price is bottomed out. When this goes up to the top, price will be higher than it. It already is. So this is another victory for what I'm telling you guys over and over again. Why would you worry about any fucking drawdown on Bitcoin when it's absolutely 99.9% likely that trade is going to go up? There you go. Doop, doop, all the way to the tippy top. And there it is. And it's going up as you speak. Okay. Next up, Amazon. Play any buy stop. Told you it just went up again. I would play any buy stop on Amazon. I would love for this to reload. Nope. Let's just do this. Play any buy stop on Amazon, 30-minute and otherwise, until this blue line touches this pink line, orange line up here. Price will go in and already did fill in the gap. Price will be up higher than it was. Love this trade. Love Amazon. Costco. Good morning, Don. Again, this is for Don. Yep, beautiful trade coming up on a very good entrance coming up right here. This is going to be a Costco buy for you. Buy Costco right here at buy stop Costco.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
884.59. Buy stop Costco. 889.85. Buy stop Costco. 881.09.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Love Costco. As a matter of fact, this is a perfect one to look for those 30-minute buys. So, Don, until you see everything flip over on and if you don't have the system, you need to get it, which, whatever. So, eventually, Don, this is what you're going to see on Costco. Let me draw it all out for Donnie Boy here. You're going to see a lot of green. You're going to see these switch over like this. You're going to see these switch over to green. Then you're going to see your histogram bars stop turning red. They're going to get shorter, shorter, shorter. They're going to pop over. They're going to turn green. Okay. Then you're going to see this thing start to pull up like this on your 30-minute. Then it's going to come, hook over. Then you're going to see the pink line right here, hook down, come up, hook over like this. Then you're going to see this stay here. You're going to see price action come down like this, hook, come back over and hook and go back up. Then you'll be in a buy stop over here. And this will be a 30-minute buy stop. And as you saw, there was over 25 different buy stops on Bitcoin as it was going up. You're going to see a fucking 15, 20, 30-minute buy stops as Costco goes up. And that's how I would play Costco. Till the daily blue line goes up. Yeah, love the trade on Costco. Love this trade on Costco again. Did I say, yeah, 882.67, 887.93, 880.92. Buy stop.
Financial advisor, demo trade only.
Love the Costco. Not going to call anything else on it. Apple. Apple trades, Apple daily, weekly. Let's see. Is this our weekly still? Yes. Oh, love it. Holy fuck. Yeah. This is what I was telling you the other day. Rarely do you see this happen. And when it does, boy, you need to take advantage of this shit. What you're looking at is your weekly blue line high, pink line low, blue line high, pink line low on your daily. Buy stop. And I would play any buy stop until the weekly pink line comes up and touches the blue. Until this stuff down here on the sniper touches the blue sniper line. Buy stop. And I would specifically look for any 30-minute buys on Apple. I have an Apple iPhone. They're okay. I'm not a big fan of Apple other than that. I don't even like them, to be honest with you. But the reality is it's exceptional. I love it. Boy, if we can only get that. Yeah, look at that. Man, you guys start seeing monthly buys. Someone's got to let me know. This one is your shit. This is the cat's meow right here. This one right here. Fuck. Look at them. We need these monthly buys again. I would love the whole market to kind of come down a little, as in a nice little whatever. I don't want to get in trouble, so I won't say any words. But come down big. All right, that's what I'm seeing on Apple. Love it. Google. I don't know. Does anybody remember me going over Google before their earnings? And what do we call Google? What do we call it? Weekly buy stop. I remember specifically, and there it is. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Oh, and this is even better news. Play any buy stop you can find. Yeah. Until this blue line on Google comes up and touches the orange. This is perfect, right up Don's alley. Or until this green histogram bar goes up and touches the yellow. Play any buy stop. I wish someone would go back and look. I had to have called the buy stops here, here, and here. I know I would have. So yeah, that's it. Gorgeous trade. Love it. Earnings, my asshole. Doesn't matter at all. That was happening regardless of earnings. There it is. This is perfection. And it's not done. Keep buying any 30-minute buy stop on Google until the weekly blue line goes up and touches the orange line. The flip over. I got it. That answers my question. Aha moment. Nice. I love everybody that gets an aha moment. Joe Bigga had an aha moment this morning. Yay. Probably off of something I said 300 times, but once it clicks in, you're like, damn, I hear it. Hilton. Gorgeous. That was a buy right there. Let's see. Weekly. Let me see. It's daily. Oh, yeah. Love this. This is a buy. Strong. Fill in the gap too. Woo. First time. Woo. Wee. Woo. This is also, let me be clear on this. So some of you maybe not seeing this. See this little run up right here on the blue. This is your first buy. It's a fill in the gap right there. This is the very first time it's coming down. This is literally the very first time you're seeing our logo form live before your very eyes on Hilton. This is already done it once. I would take any buy stops until this pink line, which will cross this purple like I showed you on a 5-second earlier. I think that was oil. Right? But it's going to do it. It's going to take forever. It's going to cross this, come up. When the pink line comes all the way up to the blue, price will be higher than its low point, which was right here. And it already is. So we already know my theory is 100% accurate yet again. Hold the trade until then, or until this green fills in. What does that mean? Let me draw it out for some of you who are really, really, really unable to understand things. The fill in the gap trade means price will come up and come up. And then your yellow little line will be closed. What do you mean closed? Well, look, this is what it's going to do. See it? It was black and it's open right now. Eventually in the next several days, probably 7 to 10 days, you'll see this come up and close it just like it did here. Price went up. When this goes up, price will go up. When the pink line comes up to the blue, price will go up. Hilton, buy stop, especially the 30 minutes. Until this blue line is touched by the pink line on the daily. Am I clear on Hilton? Yes or no? Mike Snyder says, you did call Google. I did hear it on Third Few Lives. 163. Buy step at 163. Do we make money on that call? I hope to God I called that right. Let's see. Google 1. I called it at 163. Woohoo! Standing ovation for me. 163. You'd have made almost $19, $17, $18 an ounce. No way, Mike. You did call Google. Ah, thanks, Mike Snyder. Standing ovation for myself for calling out Google at 163. I'm pretty weird, huh? I'm giving myself, because the system's amazing. It's that simple to call. Look at that, 163. Yay me. I'm glad I helped you make money, Mike. Yay. Hell fucking yeah. And keep making money, Mike. It's going to keep going out. Every time that motherfucker pulls back, Mike, get right back in it again. Jump on that horse, Mike. Let's go, Mike. Mike. Nickelodeon, Mike. Thank you, Mike Snyder. I am so happy about seeing that. I am thrilled about seeing that. Mike Snyder, you did call Google on one. I thought I knew where my entrances would have been. Sometimes whatever, but I just knew where my entrances would have been. Yay. What's up, Iron Lion on TikTok? Nice. Look at us go. Let me go over to the YouTube video itself so I can grab that comment. Yeah, I'm glad you guys are catching this shit because I call it so many things. Some of them I remember. You did call Google. This is what I want to say. Thank you, Mike Snyder. I want to post that up in the Discord. I want to go over to here. And I want this in the learning room especially because, oh, shit. Do we have a Google call out? Hold on. And I want to do the system call outs. And then I want to do the actual signal room itself. Okay, so then I want to go over to here. And where is my one? Google. Ha, 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 ha. Let's go into tier 3 Google call out. Google was called out twice in our tier 3 signal room. We have signals. What's a signal? A signal tells you when to take a demo trade. Let's take a look. Let's go into tier 3. Let's go up to Google. Let's go up to Google. All right, let's see. Buy stop, Google, July 16th. Let's take a look. Maybe it's not in the money. I don't know. July 16th. July. Oh, I'm on the week. Hold on. We're in, yeah. Oh my, wait, July 16th. So it's right here. Right. Wait, is it this 16th or is that 16th? 17th. This one right here. We're right at profit break even. That is not a signal to be taken when you're supposed to enter in. You're supposed to do half moon entries, just so we're clear. A half moon entry would have entered you in either here, probably not, definitely here, definitely here, actually, if you did the full half moon right here. So you could have entered Google 2 or 3 times. It called it out. The first one, though, you would barely be breaking even. Oh, my God. It's not done. It's going to keep going up. That's why I call the Google trade open. It is open. It's not complete yet. Google trade open. Google was up $4, depending on which one you want. So if you actually entered Google at the half moon like you should have, you'd have gotten in here on this one at 163. Yep. You could have gotten in as low here, though, at 154, just so we're clear. Just use the half moon or the udder entry. UDDERS. You're hearing that right. The udders entry. Don't ask. All right. That's awesome. Oh, I'm so excited. Good job for Google. Yay. All right. Where was I? Hilton, we did GBB. So we're on JP225. JP225. Let's take a look at JP225. Moo, utter entry. Dr. One Fly. People love the utter entry. All right. Yay. All right. This is a nice one. JP225. Buy stop. Yep. Daily. Weekly. Oh, should have been back here. What's this right here? Yeah, we could have got in here. Well, coulda, woulda, shoulda. Fuck that. Could do it now. Buy stop. GB. I thought I called J. I know I did call JP225. Buy stop. I would have called it here. 38,400, 38,588. Yeah, okay. Daily. Where are we at? Is it below it? Yeah, fuck yeah. 38,941.2.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade
Okay.
only.
Daily, weekly. You've already has the fill in the gap. Still going to take it. I would take any 30-minute buy stops you can find until this finishes going up. Oh, we can't call it because it doesn't have any, it doesn't know how high it is. It's actually in the weekly buy, so it can't see the daily, weekly 30 minutes. It's just a coding thing. Don't ask. Anywho, I would literally play any buy stop we can find, 30-minute or any of them. It doesn't matter until this is done. That's JP225. Someone asked me to look at that. That's a real easy call on that one. Mickey D's, McDonald's. Let's see. Moo utter entry. Dr. One Fly. That's funny. Mickey D. Let's take a look. Daily. Oh, this is fucking gorgeous. This isn't our logo. We missed the logo, but I'm going to show you what our logo looks like again. You're going to see the blue line come up. This is your buy right in here. Okay. Then you're going to see the very first time this comes down all the way. And this is our logo. This is how you can see the logo. Starts underneath. Blue line came up, traced it down right there. It's doing it again. I'm a little concerned that it's not the first time. It's not the second time. It's on its third time, but it'll do it. Oh, I see. It's doing it on the weekly. Yep. Here we go. Let me flip this off. Let's bring this chart over to weekly. And now take a look. Watch. This is weekly. And it's going to do the exact same thing. Let me draw this out for you. You're going to see this blue line continue to come up, hook, and go over. Then what you're going to see is this pink line is going to come down, flat for a second, come back over like this. And then what you're going to see is price come down, maybe a little bit more, hook, and come back up when this does that. And then you're going to see these little green lines right here are going to come down below it like that. And you're going to see a space form right in here. Then you're going to see these stay green over here. And then you're going to see this hook up. And this is exactly what's going to happen over the next several weeks on McDonald's. This is what you're going to see. I hope someone takes a picture of that and calls me out on it if it doesn't happen. But if it does happen, which it will, this is going to be our first time of our logo right here. Price starts under, comes up, dips down, and comes back up again. So this is what I would call for McDonald's. I would wait for all this to draw out before I would get into McDonald's. Let me see it's daily unless there's something clear on a daily. Yeah. It's got the blue line dip right here, which is concerning. It does need to fall a little bit more, meaning this has to, well, this is a concern. I'm going to go ahead and call it on a daily for you. McDonald's. But please remember,
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
McDonald's buy stop 293 point something. McDonald's buy stop 296.68. McDonald's buy stop 300. If you don't want to take those and wait for the drawing to occur, like I told you, let price come down a little bit more. Let it hook over the next several days. and then put a buy stop in at 296.68 on McDonald's weekly.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Boy. Oh, gonna be some money be made. Demo money only. Microsoft. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, buy. Love Microsoft. Love Microsoft. I guarantee you I was calling a buy stop back here on Microsoft. Yeah, this is gorgeous. This is fucking gorgeous. Hell yeah. Daily buy. Weekly buy. Fill in the gap. Here you go. Same. Does that sound like a robot? Take any buy stop you can on Microsoft while this blue line rises up, especially if you can get a 30-minuter. Abso-fucking-lutely. Boom, boom. Again, this is exactly what our system does. Look, green means up, red means down. Green means up, red means down. Green means up. That's what it looks like. Price action, right? There it is. Look at here. This is your sniper. How do we know when it's going to go up? Pink crosses the blue. Fill in the gap. Price went up from here. Buy stops would have been here. You'd have made all that money. That's what a W looks like. We can do triple bottoms and triple tops. And this is what our logo looks like over here. This is what the logo looks like. It does a fill in the gap instead right there. This is our logo on this side. This is W on this side. They all W out. You can play off the center line if you just want to, which means this is still a buy right here on Microsoft. Nice, Jonathan. Welcome, Jonathan. I think it's been a pretty good one today. Does everybody understand yes or no? Especially this right here. Let's be clear. Especially this right here, how it looks with a W or a W with our logo. Looks like this. Hopefully that's an aha moment, especially this W for the logo right here. I really want you guys to understand this. See our logo? You see how it didn't dip below right there? That's our logo. What's our logo? You know what our logo is. I show you this every day, 1,000 times a day. Our logo right here, back of the bull, back of the bull, back of the bull. Okay, so hopefully you guys are catching that. Very important rule. All right, let's keep finishing this up. Netflix, let's see what she's doing. Daily, weekly, daily's already up to the top. Yeah, I wouldn't play Netflix at this time. I mean, you can do smaller time frames if you want me to go down there, blah, 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 but I'm not doing it. This is how I'd play Netflix. I'd wait for this pink line to come down. I'd wait for the blue line to hook over. I'm not calling Netflix anymore. Daily, weekly's complete. We're good. I'm not saying it's not going to go up. I am saying I'm not calling it. NVIDIA. Let's see what NVIDIA is going to do. NVIDIA. Told you, and told you fucking again. And it's just, yep, buy again. This is our logo. This is how you find the logo. Watch. I know Keith has got to get this coded. Poor Keith. He's such a good man. Like this. That is our thing. Logo started low, came up. It's going to fill in the gap right here and come up. Okay. You're going to see this pink line come back up this way. You're going to see the blue line hook. Play any buy stop you can find, 30-minute on up especially. I'd love to see if there is any buy stops here on NVIDIA. NVIDIA, buy stop. NVIDIA, buy stop. NVIDIA, buy stop. I'd play any buy stop, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 hours until this happens right here. And I know NVIDIA has been going up through the roof. It never stops, but I'm telling you, this is a beautiful logo right here. See, it's just start. I think you're going to see a little more pullback, a little more down. That's why I had the hook right here. I think you're going to see NVIDIA go down, hook, and then come back up again. So that's for NVIDIA. Okay. Sally C. I'm starting. Yay, Sally. Okay, that's great news. Right there. Daily, beautiful. Now let's go down to the 30-minute and see something. I do want to see something. Let me go back to here. I want to see if we had any golden trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's funny. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 would have made money too. So no, yeah. Okay, we're good. That's NVIDIA. Schwab. Buy, stop. I do. Okay, come on now. I want some credit for this one. The system gets credit for this. This was 100% absolutely a weekly buy stop. I guaranteed I would have called it out. I'm sure I said I wanted to drop down a little first. But yeah, no, this is a weekly, monthly buy. I'm sure I called out Charles Schwab around 66.89. I guarantee you I did. Now, this is how Schwab easy is going to be to play. Play any buy stops on Schwab. I don't know if they're called Charles Schwab now anymore, and I have no idea, but Schwab, until this blue line goes up and touches this orange line. Watch. Play any buy stop. I think you might have seen a 30-minute on this too. Hold on. Let me see if we have a 30. Oh, it won't be able to call it out because it's on a daily, weekly. It's a weekly. This is a weekly. So I know we made money. Comment away, Sally. Actually, the comments help me on YouTube. The more comments that are given on YouTube, the better. Somehow, we're such a small channel, but we got an award like a few months ago for having some of the most commented videos ever on YouTube. I'm like, huh? We hardly have anybody watching. We have like 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Once in a while, we get to like 100, 120 people. And yet, we're one of the most commented channels that YouTube has. It's funny to me. Love it. Oh, we got to keep going. All right. So that's Schwab. Silver. And I guarantee you I called the fuck correct out of silver. All right. Let's see if we can get you in some more money. Nope. Silver's already peaked. Weekly peaked. Daily. Yep. I can't. You got to let silver rebound. You're going to have to let silver do what you guys call consolidation. I want silver to come back down to here. I want it to come down a little lower. Maybe not that low. Come down to there, and we'll get back into silver. Nothing I can call on silver until silver drops a little bit more. I'm not calling it on the daily, preferably on the weekly too, but I'd take the daily. And yes, let me see if we caught silver too. Golden. Let's see. Golden trades. This will not be coming to you until the end of December. This is a free upgrade coming from Bree and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer. You guys will have this in tier 3 on your charts where you'll see golden trades, all of which were accurate. My goodness gracious. This is crazy how much money. Golden. Bye. Look at all these fucking 30-minute correct signals. Look at them all. Yeah, okay. But a safety trade isn't real trading. Thank God it isn't. Thank God the safety trade system isn't real trading. We actually make money over here. Demo money only. Look at how many times. 28 times it called out winning 30-minute trades. 28 times with several golden, I might add. Oh, that is gorgeous. Silver, I'm not calling it till it reboots. UK 100. Love it. Let's see what we got going on here. Fuck yeah, giving you plenty of time. Don't want to hear bitching shit about this shit. Buy stop. UK 100. Buy stop. UK 100. 8,150. Buy stop. UK 100. 8,187. Buy stop until this pink line on the weekly goes up and touches the blue line. Okay. This will fill in. This gap will fill in right here. The green will come up to the yellow. The pink will come up to the blue. Price will go up to wherever the fuck price is going up to. This is actually our logo again. Understand it. I'll keep drawing it. It started low, went up high, came back down and hooked. Price started low, came up high, came back down and hooked. There's our logo. Price came from here. Remember, I just teaching you guys this. This is it right here. This is the first time it came down. It's just doing a double bottom right now. That's why it's taking its time. That's it. This is our logo. Look, price, right? There you go. And then it's going to hook and come up. Logo again, logo again. Now, if you want me to go into all the reasons why this is a fucking fantastic trade, blue line high, pink line low, right? Then what? Fill in the gap. Green, 3 real direction bars telling you it really is going to go up. The Bach is green. You have green over here on your line. You have the orange above it. You have your green candles right here. You have our logo right here. You actually have your pre-buy too, by the way, over here for your buy stop. So we already have 14 reasons why this is a fantastic trade. It was also called out here. And you would have made money initially multiple times. Now it's dropped further. It's going to come down further, and you're going to be able to get in again. Well, I don't know about all that, Sally, but thank you for mentioning God. All right. So that's how this is going to go. You're going to see this fill in right here. What's going to fill in? You're going to see these green things come up like this. You're going to see this yellow thing get closed. You're going to see price turn, hook, and come back up like that. You're going to see this pink thing come up to here. You're going to, what else do you want me to tell you? This is exactly what I've been showing you from 5 seconds all the way up to weekly. This is our logo right here. It's happening before your very eyes. You can clearly see it came up, comes over, the pink hooks down. It's going to go up to the blue. Buy stop, UK 100. Play any 30-minute and any other buy stop you like until this pink line goes up to the blue. Copper. And it's not Fox and the Hound copper. Good morning, LT. What's up, LT? Woo, 15 minutes to market open. I've just been going through all these symbols for you. I can go through them in about 5 minutes to all of them, or I can take my time and explain things to you and help you make money along the way. I'm choosing the latter. Kappa. Buy stop, 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 Kappa. Buy stop. Oh, there it is. Kappa. This is Microsoft. This is Kappa. This is copper about, I don't know, a week or two behind Microsoft. Here's Microsoft, blue line low, pink and purple cross. Microsoft goes up. Here's copper. Here's copper. I'm a hound dog. Right here, you're going to see pink cross, then purple. This is a buy stop. Buy stop. Copper. Daily. Well, you're already too late. I'm sure I would have called this out a few days ago. I guarantee you I called copper at 4,330, whatever that, or $4.33, whatever the fuck that is. So I'm calling copper again. 4.3580 copper buy stop. 4.3614 copper buy stop.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Not only am I going to call that for you, but I'm going to draw out what's going to happen. You're going to see pink cross. Okay. Then you're going to see the blue line come up. And then you're going to see the blue line flatten. And you're going to see the pink come back down, and it's going to hook up. That's what's going to happen on this particular chart over the next several days. Weeks, actually. There you go. In the meantime, you're going to see price come up like this. You're going to see this green hold right here. This is going to turn to green. You're going to see this come up, and you'll see price action come up. Hopefully that's clear enough for everybody. Yeah. That UK one is about to print again. It is about to print again, correct. All right, that is Kappa. Kappa. Tesla. Damn, I still have more to go after Tesla? Oh, AMD. Tesla. Gee, Tesla's up. Don't know, somebody call that. Daily buy. Let me see if we got anything left in the weekly tank. We do. Take any buy stop you can on Tesla. 30 minutes and otherwise, till this pink line goes up and touches this blue line. Love the trade. Love Tesla. Told you it was just going down to reset for a buy. I mean, I've been saying that for a while. Tesla's awesome. AMD. Again, buy, stop. They had earnings. Oh, who the fuck cares? Let me see daily. Oh, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. AMD. Fuck you. Keep going down. I'll keep making people more and more money, dumbasses. Weekly, buy, stop. Yeah, drop that shit, you fucking tar. These people are morons. Okay, AMD, buy, stop. 150.52. AMD, 154, buy, stop. AMD, 156, buy, stop.
Financial advisor, demo trade only. I am not a financial.
Shit.
I am not a financial. I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Buy, stop. Gorgeous buy, stop. AMD. Let these idiots keep dropping it down even further. Yeah. Oh, I couldn't imagine if they bring down AMD 1 to 138, I might get into AMD. This is our logo on a 3-week. This is fucking fantastic. Take a look. This is your first part of it. Then they're dropping it down right here, right now. This is the second part. This is our logo. Started low, comes up high. That's what it's doing right now, is the hook down. Love it. You're going to see this pink thing cross this purple thing. It's going to come up towards this blue line right here. You're going to see this fill in the gap right here, close. You're going to see this come over here. You're going to see price come down a little bit and then shoot up like that. That's what they're going to do with AMD. 3-week buy, stop, AMD. Love this trade. Love this fucking trade. Could have bounced it off the red line. You're a little late. Could have bounced it off the yellow line. You're a little late. Follow it down as it goes down. Buy, stop, AMD, 3 weeks, 153.29. 150. 150. Buy, stop. Wait for the utter to form. Wait for price action to do this. Watch this. Well, it already did it once here. This is your utter right here. And you see the utter right here. Then you're going to see it do this again. And then you're going to see this. And then you're going to see this, this. And that's what you're going to see. The utters will form. Utter trading. Listening to this while I drive. Thank you, Adam. Good morning, Adam. Manula. Good morning, Manula. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. We just got done calling out AMD. We just got done calling out Tesla. We just got done calling out copper and UK 100. We just got done calling out silver, Schwab, Nvidia, Netflix, Microsoft, Mickey D, JP225, Hilton, and Google. We just got done calling out Apple, Costco, Amazon, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, USD CAD. We just got done calling out AUD, USD, GBP, JPY, EUR, USD, US oil. We just got done calling out gold, SPX, NAS, and US 30. Now, let's go in and dive deep. We're going to go in and make some money. We're at the open, Lord willing. All of you are having a heart attack yesterday. Oh, I named this thing. I was wrong. It's scary when I'm wrong or something like that. And in reality, I was still right. I'll explain why and how that was. I forgot all that. Oh my God, I forgot to tell you about that. It's funny. Let's close this off of here. All right, now we're going to go back to the saddle again. There you go. To the 1 hour sell stop on US 30. It's there. Told you it was going to come up, ricochet, come back and do it. I thought it would get a little more of a ricochet, but there we go. NAS. SPX. Okay. You can play any short-term sells you'd like to find. Feel free. Knock your guys' asses out. I don't care. I do believe you're going to see a ricochet. I do believe you're going to see it come down. Who first? Damn, I don't know. Either or. You're going to see a sell stop at open towards. Now, if there's any kind of news, that's what's going to boost this. But anyway, let it keep going. Play any sell stops towards NAS and SPX's 1 minute blue line on price action. If you don't want to play a 1 minute, any of the sell stops till then, 7 minutes market open, then come up here and Join the Winners Club. All right. Buy stop. SPX 5,786. Buy stop. SPX 5,802. Buy stop. SPX 5,812. Buy stop off the yellow line ricochet. Buy stop SPX 5,789. Buy stop SPX 5,812. I wish it would come lower. But that's what I'm calling for now. Take it. I don't care. Don't take it. I don't give a fuck, by the way.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
NAS. If you don't want to do those sells, NAS, daily. Buy stop NAS. 20,327. Buy stop NAS 20,308. Buy stop NAS 20,375. Buy stop NAS 20,365. Buy stop NAS 20,337.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Good morning, Jackson Andre. Good morning, Rose. The audio out in and out for anyone else. Oh shit, the audio's bad. Really? I don't know why. Should be great on YouTube. 12 hour. Nope. US 30. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Fuck yeah. Oh, yeah. See, US 30 is better. We really need it to fall more, but I don't think we're going to see it. Ricochet, buy stop off the weekly, US 30. 41,964. Buy stop 42,000. Daily line. Buy stop US 30 off the green line. 41,998. Buy stop 42,000 US 30. Buy stop 42,169. Buy stop US 30 42,289.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Audio is great for me. Audio keeps going in and out. Okay, how can it be both? Go over to TikTok anyways. It's faster audio. Love these trades. I'm guessing, my best guess is they're going to announce some kind of news and jack the fuck out of these things up. Some kind of news either today, tomorrow, or the next day. They're absolutely going to have some kind of news come out and they're going to jack the fuck. You can play sells. Let me be clear. Sell stop to the 1 hour blue line of NAS. That's most likely what's going to happen at open. Sell stop. We have what, about 4 minutes to market open? 3 minutes? Sell stop NAS, sell stop SPX. These are all shorter type terms. They're going to go down towards their 1 hour blue line. Do I think they're going to hit it? Yep, I do. I think they're going to come extremely close. Play any 5 second through 30 minute sell stop NAS and SPX and US 30 until NAS's and SPX blue line is hit or it gets close. Yeah, NFP sounds like a good thing to do. Yeah, it sounds like what they'll do. Good morning, Anthony. What's up, Tony Villalobos? What's up, Anthony? Anthony, do you make enough money that you could retire? I'm trying to get up people that could. NFP tomorrow. That makes sense. Non-farm payroll. They're absolutely going to jerk it around. Something must have just hit. Switched over to TikTok for better audio. There you go, Adam. Told you. People hate TikTok, but don't be hating on it no more. What's up, Andrew Frejo? Audio's good on TikTok. Something must have just hit. What did it hit? 3 minutes to market open. I'm not following. Sorry. Rich. I don't follow. All right. Now I'm going to go down to these hyper time periods, which are I'm going to be calling trades against trades. Yeah. Like I said, you're either in these little cells right here. Let me bring this down to a 1 second there. Let's see. This sure looks like a 1 second buy. Let me see over here. 15 second. 1 second buy on SPX. Yeah, I'm calling that. I know, right? 3 minute, 5 minute buy. 10 minute sell. 10 minute sell. 15 minute. No, 15 minute. 10 minute, 15 minute sell. How high will that little buy go? Let me see NAS real quick. Yeah, NAS. 15 minute, 30 minute sell. 15 minute, 30 minute sell. 15-minute, 30-minute sell back to the 30-minute blue line on NAS. Sell stop NAS. 20,262. Sell stop NAS. 20,250. There's going to be a 5-second buy, however. Then I would look for the sell at open. Let's see if we can see a pull down. If you don't want to play these faster time periods, if I see something happen, I'm going to call out a trade really fast. Please don't trade market open. I go in and out really quickly. Okay? If you're going to trade it, lock in all your profits from the sells or wait for these buys to come in later on. If they're going to move it again, I think they're not going to move this up until tomorrow with that
I am
NFP.
not a financial advisor, demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
1 minute to market open, 1 minute to market open. That's a 1 second sell on NAS. Yeah. 1 second sell on SPX. Yeah, filling the gap. 30 seconds, US 30 second sell. US 30 is falling too hard. We need a pull up. We need an artificial pull up on US 30 or I can't call it. You should already be in that sell. We can play the NASs. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute sell stop until NAS hits its 30-minute blue line again. Play any sell stop you can find on NAS until it hits its 30-minute blue line. If they artificially jank this up a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and get us back in that trade on NAS. I like NAS right now best of all. I like NAS best of all. Fill in the gap. I love it. If you don't want to play these, market open, market open. If you don't want to play these sells, you're in the money on your sell on NAS, you can close that down. If you don't want to play these sells, then just wait for the buys later on. There you go. There you go. You're in the money on the sell on NAS. You're in the money on the sell on NAS. You're in the money on sell on NAS. You're in the money on sell on NAS. You're in the money on sell on NAS. You can take your money out and run. You're in the money on sell on NAS. It's going to come down even further right this second. Watch. There it went. There it went. There you go. You're in the money on NAS to sell. Beautiful. Let me check out SPX real quick. Yep, you're in the money on SPX. US 30 buy stop to the 5 second blue line, but I wouldn't play it. I wouldn't play US 30. It's just don't play US 30. Stick with NAS, like I said. There's NAS coming down to its blue line. Perfect. Perfect open on NAS. Perfect open on SPX. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. How does your garden grow? That's just perfect. Sell stop again. 1 second sell. It's about to flip back down again. Sell stop to the blue line of the 30-minute blue line, price action blue line. Look at it go down before your very eyes. Look at the 1 second I just called out in front of you. Go over to the safety trade system and buy it now. Go over to safetytrade.com and buy the system. Come over to the safetytrade.com and buy the system. The best $575 you ever spent in your life. Look at it go down to the blue line as called out. Touchdown, touchdown, touchdown. I told you NAS is where it was at. Told you that was what's going to fucking happen. I don't know if I drew that one out. We caught it right here at that. We got that whole fucking movement down. I sort of go, why does fucking TradingView have the shittiest fucking charts? You made 60, 70 pips on that trade. Beautiful play down on NAS. Beautiful play down. I'm sure SPX did it also. Picture perfect. There you go. SPX in the money. NAS in the money. I couldn't call US 30. I wasn't going to call US 30. I'm sorry. I'm not calling US 30. It is what it is. That's what you're talking about. Keep playing it. I would play any sell stop you can find on NAS and SPX until NAS's red closes in on the yellow, till the pink crosses the purple and goes down to the blue. You want me to draw it out for you? Let me draw it out for you. Keep playing any sell stops you can find until this comes down and touches this like that, until this line hooks and comes down, and we'll cross this one right here, until this comes down here and touches the blue line. There you go. You're welcome. Thank you, God. I hope you all make money on this trade. TikTokers, News, I don't know about that. Don't really care. Let this keep falling. Keep moving your buy stops down as it goes down. So as this drops down, yeah, that'd be really nice when we get to that yellow. Buy stop again. Buy stop again. NAS 20,180. Buy stop again. NAS 20,180. SPX. Oh, beautiful. We can go to the daily on that one. Daily buy stop on SPX 5,779, 5,774. Buy stop on SPX. US 30. Back to the 12 hour. Nope, maybe weekly. Yeah, bounce. Bounce if you want. 41,997. Buy stop on US 30. Okay. Now, in the meantime, you can play your sells all the way down to the 1 hour. It'll get a lot closer than where it is. 1 hour sell, play any sell stops you can on NAS and SPX until either or both hit or come close to their 1 minute price action blue line. SPX sell, NAS sell as they head down there. I think you're going to see NAS hit it first, but you never know. So those are my short-term medium calls are these sells. The longer-term calls are those buys. And that's a buy for all three indices. It's a sell only for NAS and SPX right now. And you just made like 50, 60, 70 pips on NAS alone. All right, TikTokers, God bless you all. Hope you all made some money. Hope you all had some fun.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
I'm going to go ahead and go. God bless you on TikTok. Have a great day. Make some great memories. Everybody on YouTube. What do we got on YouTube? I see some bingo and thank gods. All right. NFP Gold 5-minute touch. Milkshakes all around. Nice. Woohoo. Bingo on NAS. Thank you, God. Thank you, Coach John Parker. Bingo Boppo. Thank you, God. All right. Thank you all on YouTube. God bless you all. Take care. Everybody have fun.